Hey guys, welcome back to the TipRanks YouTube channel. I'm Richard Allen, and this is your last Power Hour update. Next week, we're switching things up a little bit. I'm going to post later, probably right around 5:30 in the afternoon, so you can have all the news you need to start your day the next day. So we're going to have a show called After the Bell, where I give you the biggest news, earnings reports, things like that from the day, but also talk about your biggest market movers in that segment. So that'll be fun. So expect that on Monday, 5:30, something like that. But let's just jump right over to the major indices. The S&P 500 is up almost 1% today. The Dow Jones at a record high, up 0.67% today. It's a far cry from what happened on Monday. Crazy difference. NASDAQ right above 15,000, again up 1% on the day. And then BTC having a little bit of a cool down after a couple great days, down 0.84% today. Let's jump over to your stock market news. All right, in your first bit of news, in a trend that is continuing, Air Canada posting smaller loss in Q2 on higher travel demand. Air Canada reported a smaller loss and higher revenue in the second quarter. Easing travel restrictions and rising vaccination rates have helped the Montreal-based airline recover from the pandemic crisis. Operating revenues for the second quarter 2021 came in at 837 million Canadian dollars, increasing almost 60% from just 527 million reported the same quarter last year. Ticker symbol AC, trading on the Toronto Stock Exchange, is up slightly today, up 0.28%, but this comes with a moderate buy based on 7 analyst ratings, with an average upside now of over 20% for Air Canada. All right, in your second bit of news, we have Pebblebrook adding Jekyll Island Club Resort to its portfolio for $94 million. Sounds like a bit of a creepy place, but this is a 200-room resort that Pebblebrook has acquired. It is their 52nd property now. The chairman and president of CEO of Pebblebrook, John Bort, says this regional drive-to retreat is the island's premier destination, strategically located in the center of the Jekyll Island National Landmark Historic District. There are many opportunities at the resort to increase the property's financial performance through operational enhancement and physical improvements, including elevating the entire guest experience, expanding the restaurant and bar offerings, reimagining the merchandising and quality of the retail space, and creating many more revenue-generating venues. He added, our redevelopment expertise combined with our asset management initiatives should generate tremendous value creation at this storied resort. All right, ticker symbol PEB, Pebblebrook Hotel is actually down. It's pretty normal for acquisitions. They're down 1.79% today. This does come in with a hold rating based on 5 analyst ratings with an average upside of 14.55% for Pebblebrook Hotel. All right, one of your top gainers today, in fact, your top gainer up massively today, we're going to talk about why here real quick, is Veoneer, Magna, to fortify ADAS platform with Veoneer buyout. Magna International Incorporated has inked an all-cash deal to acquire automotive safety technology provider Veoneer Incorporated, ticker symbol VNE, for a total consideration of almost $4 billion, $3.8 billion. The deal is expected to conclude by the end of this year. The acquisition is likely to boost Magna's advanced driver assistance systems customer base and expand its reach to new markets such as Asia. Veoneer's restraint control systems will enrich Magna's ADAS business. The acquisition is expected to generate around $100 million in annual run rate synergies by 2024. Furthermore, Magna's balance sheet is also expected to improve following the closure of the deal. Let's check out how Magna is doing. Same sort of deal with Pebblebrook. They are down today, down 4.26%, but this does come with a strong buy rating based on 5 analyst ratings with an average upside of 47% for Magna International. But Veoneer, VNE, completely different story, up almost 60% on the day, up 56.5%. Guys, let me know down in the comments if any of you guys are holders of this stock, if you got in on this deal. Pretty pretty big deal. All right, let's move on to your top gainers and losers in the market. All right, we're going to start off with your top losers. Guys, we talked about in the first After the Bell episode yesterday, Sam, Boston Beer, down 25% today. Massive, massive losses. However, look at the rest of these, okay? So all of these companies here are Chinese education groups. So we have ticker symbol DAO, GOTU, EDU, and TAL, all down again. This happened a couple months ago, but now we have 42% down for UDAO. We have almost 60% down for GSX Tech EDU. Same story there for New Oriental Education Technology, and TAL Education Group down almost 70% today. Wow, crazy, crazy losses. Guys, I hope none of you are experiencing losses in these companies, but maybe you are. Let me know down in the comments if with some tears or something, if that's the case for you. All right, top gainers, we have Trade Desk ticker symbol TTD, up almost 10% on the day. We have Harvinus Holding Company, ticker symbol ARVN, up over 12% on the day. We have Apollo Medical Holdings, ticker symbol AMEH, up 13.5% today. Snap, we talked about that and After the Bell as well. They were up massively after hours, after blowing out earnings. They are up 24% today after being up like 18% yesterday. Ticker symbol SNAP, having a fantastic day. And then Veoneer, we already talked about them. Ticker symbol VNE, up 56.5% today. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for the last Power Hour update. I hope you're excited for the After the Bell show. That's going to be a great way to get some news and info that you need to start your day off right the next day. Yeah, if you have any ideas for that segment, please let me know down in the comments. Let me know if you're going to miss the Power Hour update. I know I will, but I am excited to do the After the Bell. Again, we're going to post that between 5 and 5:30 Monday through Friday here on the TipRanks YouTube channel. Guys, have a great weekend. I'll see you Monday.